Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 12 on that test of orals, section 1. Now the instruction says from the words letter A to D, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. So the word given to us is kite and letter I is underlined. So option A is pundi, B is brighter, C is dizzy, D is litter. So first I will transcribe the word given to us, which is kite, so we can see the sound that letter I represents. So kite is transcribed this way. You have this kite. Now this is the sound I represented by this letter. So option A, which is pundi, is transcribed this way. Is transcribed this way. Option B, which is brighter, is transcribed this way. Option C, which is dizzy, is transcribed this way. And option D, which is litter, is transcribed this way. Litter. Now, this sound I is found in brighter right here. So you can see that it is the same sound that we have in the word given to us, which is kite. Therefore, the answer to the question is B, option B, which is brighter. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.